Hello friends, nice to talk to you again. Friends, today I am back with you here to share some information with you. Now actually just see my portfolio, the people were telling what is your portfolio, so this is my portfolio actually. You can see this Oro Pharma, Aurobindo Pharma I purchased yesterday. Rest all my purchases are just 3-4 days old only. And as I said yesterday in the video also, that the market is going to fall. I think the market will fall today and tomorrow, I don't know, depends. But so far the market was, since I knew it is going to be choppy, so I have sold quite a few of my position. So wherever I was plus, here Oro Pharma I have already sold. My profit actually is 220 rupees here. And I have sold this Den Network also, 910 I got. GTPL I did not sell. Then Hatchway I sold with a profit of 950 rupees. Then Reliance I sold with a profit of 1131 rupees. And Reliance PP I sold with the profit of 3118 rupees. And that is what all I could sell today. And all of these you can see here, my selling, it is the real market still going on. Aurobindo Pharma, this is a buy. After selling I have sold here, and again I have sold at 836.50, and I have put up a buying again. If it comes back, it is okay. Bajaj Finserv I have today purchased at 2 only. I have purchased at 6430. Let's see what happens. Then Hatchway, as I have said, I have fully sold. Den I have fully sold. Reliance I have fully sold with me, whatever was the balance, and also Reliance PP also I have sold. So friends, in all, what has happened today is that if a profit in Aurobindo Pharma is 223 rupees. In Den it is 910. Hathway it is 950. Reliance Industries it is exactly 1000. Reliance PP it is 3325. The total it comes to 6413. And now again I have purchased this Bajaj Finserv. This Bajaj Finserv actually again has gone up, but I intend to keep it for 2-3 days time. I can sell it because it has not come so far. It has not come here because I have purchased. It will be updated only tomorrow in the morning. As you can see, Bajaj Finserv actually I have purchased 2 at 6435. This is somewhere about 6575 something at present, as I have seen very recently. Now friends, what actually made me sell this these were stocks were basically that it is basically because of the Reliance actually. The results of Reliance actually they are postponed to instead of 24th. The results of Reliance they have been postponed to now 30th. And 30th is that if this is I am putting up a chart, and when we say it is 30th, that means there are plenty of days. And when there are plenty of days, friends, in that case what can happen is that I can, if it falls down by 50 rupees, I will again actually buy this and be with it, because Reliance you can buy anytime. There are no problems in buying. And this is the moving averages which I am putting off 3 and 30 because I have already sold it. So let's see here, moving average, this is I have put 3, and this is, I am putting it here as moving average 3. This is moving average. Why it is not happening? Edit settings, moving average of 3, change the color to yellow. So this is the moving average of 3. And now friends, I will put up a moving average of 8 also here. Let's see, this is I'll just do it to 8. I'll edit this and put it moving average to 8. And let it be red, there is no problem in this. So friends, at the top of it, I have actually sold it, and therefore, because I was knowing, that it will fall, and actually there was a big this doji here, spinning top here. So after that it is falling. I think it will still continue to fall. So this is the moving average 3, and this is moving average 3, and this is moving average 8. Now they are just meeting it, but since I know the candlestick chart, I have sold it at the top, and that is what the benefit is of knowing it. So I am out of most of my setup now. Now the only thing now left, what is left is I am is Bajaj Finserv. If I get today 300 rupees per share, I will quit this also, and if I do not get, I will carry forward for the next day, maybe tomorrow and maybe day after also. The moment I get about 400 rupees in this, I will just quit, and if it falls down, then I will buy. Now the whole purpose of friends telling you this was that see, I am interested in the intraday trading, as I have done for this Bajaj Finserv. But if I get if I get, it is okay. If I do not get, about even 300 rupees from this today, then I will carry it on to the next day. So the point here is that in my list, you will always find, how many stocks: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 stocks are in my list, and out of these 12, 13, 14 stocks are in my list. Out of these 14 stocks, friends, every day 3 or 4 stocks are giving me the selling signal, which I quit very easily. It is in my habit that I am not very fond of doing intraday. If I get chance, I will do. If I don't get chance, I will just carry it. And believe me, all these shares, they are fantastic shares. There is no chance of actually losing any money. And even my investment also is not very high. It should be just touching 2 lakh of rupees. So this is good, that every day you are booking, say, somewhere about 1,500 rupees, 1,800 rupees every day. So this is what exactly it is. So those of you who wanted to check with my laptop and my stock, it is Oro Pharma, then is Balaji Amines, Bandhan Bank, Bharti Airtel, Deepak Nitrite, then it is DEN 45 I have sold, GTPL, Gujarat Alkali, Hathway, Reliance PP, and Shilpa Medical. Actually this, unfortunately, this is still with me, otherwise I quit it yesterday with a huge amount of money. So friends, that is the whole game, that be with 10-15 stocks, 2-3 stocks will give you, 2-3-4 stocks will give you buy or sell every day. That is the strategy which I follow. I hope, friends, that you understand my strategy now, and I am interested in earning the money. I am not interested in intraday. Neither I am interested in swing trading. I am interested in only money whenever I get money, whether it is the same day, next day, or next day. But more than 5-6 days, normally I don't keep any stock. Fine. But nevertheless, friends, I have to make, the provision for tomorrow. So actually I have to go right away now. I have some work. Let me see if I am able to come back, or maybe tomorrow in the morning, I will buy some share. And this Bajaj Finserv which I purchased here, it was just keeping in the mind tomorrow's program, that tomorrow it might give me about 400 rupees. I will quit this, and maybe the rest will give me some money. Fine. So that is a strategy. Keep 13-14 stocks. 3-4 stocks will give you money every day. Every day 1,500 rupees, 1,800 rupees you can conveniently make. What else do you want? Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel, friends. And at the same time, please press the notification button in your phone, as well as press the notification button here along with the subscription button. Please do not forget to check my description box, where I have given the fundamental analysis in Hindi and English. Fine. So thank you very much, and have a nice day.